The Pomodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It is designed to enhance focus and productivity by breaking work into intervals called Pomodoro, typically lasting 25 minutes, followed by short 5-minute breaks. After completing 4 Pomodoros, a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes is taken. This structured approach helps manage distractions, improve concentration, and prevent burnout during extended study or work sessions. Now, you might be wondering, why is it called Pomodoro? What's the connection between its name and the theme of our presentation today? Well, the term Pomodoro is Italian for tomato. The technique's creator, Francesco Cirillo, named it after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used as a university student to track his focused study intervals. Over time, the timer became a symbol of his productivity system, and the name stuck. Now that you understand the Pomodoro technique, let's jump into how you can use PomoFocus, a free online Pomodoro timer, to supercharge your study sessions. First, open your browser and visit pomofocus.io. This is your Pomodoro timer that will help you stay focused throughout your study sessions. In the settings section, you can modify the work time and break time to match your personal study habits. You can make the work interval shorter or longer depending on how much time you want to focus before taking a break. Adjust the break length to give yourself more or less rest time. You can also set the length of your long break after completing 4 Pomodoros. By default, this is 15 minutes as you can see on the screen, but you can extend or shorten it based on your preferences. The sound notifications that alert you when your Pomodoro session is over or when it's time for a break can be turned on or off. You can also change the sound to something that suits your mood or helps you stay focused. You can also choose a theme for your Pomo Focus timer to fit your personal style. The themes available range from minimalist to colorful options. Changing the theme makes the study sessions feel more customized and can even boost your motivation to continue studying. At the bottom of the timer, you'll find the option to add a task. This is where you can input specific tasks for each Pomodoro sessions, such as review chapter 4 or write essay introduction. Once you finish a task, simply check it off. If you have a larger task that will take more than one Pomodoro to complete, you can easily add multiple Pomodoros to the task. For example, if reviewing chapter 4 requires 2 sessions, just set it to span 2 Pomodoros. This way, you can better manage long tasks and track them over multiple sessions, ensuring your study time stays efficient. Pomo Focus also features a summary tab available when logged in. Here you can review your progress, see how many Pomodoros you've completed, and track which tasks you've checked off. This feature is great for seeing how much work you've done over time and helps you evaluate your productivity. At the bottom of the Pomo Focus interface, you can find additional helpful information about the tool itself. This section provides details about Pomo Focus, from its definition and the Pomodoro technique to step-by-step tutorials on how to use the platform effectively. Additionally, the bottom section includes other useful resources such as updates and news, updates and news about new features or enhancement to the Pomo Focus tool, ensuring you're always in the loop. Helpful tips and facts to troubleshoot and maximize your use of the Pomodoro technique. This part of the interface is great for getting all the necessary information in one place without needing to search elsewhere. And tada! There you have it! We've just learned how to use the Pomodoro technique with PomoFocus.io to supercharge your study sessions. By breaking your work into focused intervals and tracking your progress, you'll be able to stay organized, boost productivity, and avoid burnout. Whether you're preparing for exams or working on assignments, PomoFocus has everything you need to stay on top of your goals. Remember, set your tasks, customize your Pomodoro intervals, track your progress, and stay consistent. With Pomo Focus, you've got all the tools to manage your time effectively and study smarter, not harder.